Welcome to Ciena Chalk Talk. I'm Francis Gagnon, Product Line Manager for Photonics, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to Ciena 6500 Reconfigurable Line System, also known as RLS. RLS is the photonic layer solution for modern-day optical networks. Offering unparalleled innovation, it brings more scale and advanced programmability to the optical network, while making management and operation easier and more efficient. As bandwidth continues to grow and new current technologies are introduced to the market, optical networks needs to evolve and scale to keep up with this fast pace of innovation. And that's where RLS comes in. It's designed from the ground up to modernize and automate your optical infrastructure. Is minimizing rack space a top concern? RLS offers a dense architecture that integrates multiple capabilities into each card, with different chassis sizes optimized for either 600mm or 300mm depth. RLS dramatically reduces footprint in space-constrained locations by as much as 70% when compared to traditional chassis-based systems. Networks aren't one-size-fits-all. For network operators who want a flexible, application-optimized line system that can be adapted to specific networking requirements, RLS has you covered. Whether you need full wavelength routing flexibility with colorless, directionless, contentionless ROADM, prefer lower colorless direct attach, or want fixed filter configuration for lowest cost, or point-to-point DCI connectivity, RLS can handle it all. But what really sets RLS apart is its programmability and automation of operational tasks. Embedded instrumentation and built-in tools help streamline operation and speed up commissioning, deployment, and provisioning. With just a few simple clicks, an entire route of newly deployed RLS nodes can be up and running, fully calibrated, and ready for revenue-generating services. RLS can even characterize the fiber plan with the automatic fiber characterization feature, providing accurate, real-time fiber data for network planning and provisioning. RLS uses ASC noise loading in both C and L-band deployments to guarantee that optical performance will be the same for the first channel added as it is when the system is fully filled. When new wavelengths are added to the system, RLS simply replaces the channelized ASC noise with actual signal power, making wavelength turn-up, rerouting, and restoration faster than ever before. RLS is designed to support different operational and management paradigms. For network operators that prefer turnkey management, Ciena's domain optical controller can be used to plan, provision, turn up, and troubleshoot services across RLS networks. And for those who prefer open APIs and modern data models, RLS offers that too, increasing platform programmability and ease of integration into existing management frameworks. RLS is also an open line system, so network operators can transport any coherent modem technology and get the same behavior for every channel, whether it's a Ciena or an alien wave. But the benefits of RLS don't stop there. With support for higher baud signals and improved spectrum monitoring for new spectrum's leasing services, RLS opens new business opportunities. Its intelligent Layer 0 control plane enables faster service activation, differentiated SLAs, and greater network resiliency, making it an attractive option for network operators looking to retain and bring in new customers. Transform your photonic layer into an innovation platform with great scalability, more programmability, and simplified operation with Ciena 6500 Reconfigurable Line System.